On June 19, 2025, tragedy struck as Air India Flight AI-171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, crashed just moments after takeoff from Ahmedabad, India. The aircraft lost contact with air traffic control and plummeted into a populated area near the airport, leaving devastation in its wake. Of the 242 people on board, only one survived. 28 more perished on the ground, making it the deadliest aviation disaster in over a decade. The Dreamliner, equipped with two GE GNX engines, had a mixed service history, but both engines were cleared for flight. The crash raised urgent questions about Air India's safety protocols and sent shockwaves through the global aviation community. As the world mourned, investigators raced to uncover what caused this catastrophic failure on a routine international flight. With rescue efforts over, investigators from India's DGCA, the US NTSB, and Boeing began piecing together the wreckage. The recovery of the black boxes, the flight data, and cockpit voice recorders offered hope for answers. These devices, now under analysis, hold crucial clues about the plane's final moments. Early theories point to a sudden catastrophic event, possibly engine failure or a flight control malfunction, leaving the crew no time to react. The older left engine's maintenance history is under scrutiny, but no clear cause has emerged yet. This international investigation aims to identify not just what failed, but why, and to prevent future tragedies. The world awaits the final report, which will shape aviation safety for years to come. The crash came after months of mounting safety concerns for Air India and its subsidiary, Air India Express. In March 2025, Air India Express was reprimanded for failing to replace a critical engine part and for falsifying maintenance records. This was just one in a series of violations, including overdue emergency equipment checks and pilot fatigue issues. In 2024 alone, nearly half of India's aviation safety warnings targeted Air India-branded carriers. These repeated lapses suggested deeper problems in maintenance oversight and safety culture. Investigators are now examining whether these systemic issues contributed to the conditions that led to the crash. The warnings, in hindsight, seem tragically prophetic. The disaster is a major blow to the Tata Group, which took over Air India in 2022 with promises of transformation and safety. Despite ambitious investments and modernization, the crash has put Tata's management under intense scrutiny. Critics question whether rapid expansion compromised safety oversight. In response, Air India cut international flights by 15% to conduct urgent safety checks on its wide-body fleet. The airline now faces the challenge of restoring public trust and proving its commitment to safety. Tata's entire aviation strategy hinges on transparently addressing the causes of this tragedy. The group must now make safety its top priority to rebuild its reputation and secure its future. The Air India crash is not just a national tragedy, it's a global wake-up call for aviation safety. Recent disasters worldwide, from the US to South Korea, show that catastrophic failures can still occur despite technological advances. Each crash highlights vulnerabilities, mechanical, human, or systemic, that demand constant vigilance. The findings from AI-171's investigation will influence safety protocols for airlines and manufacturers everywhere. If flaws are found in the 787 or Air India's practices, sweeping changes could follow. Honoring the 269 victims means turning grief into action and embedding safety at every level of aviation. The lessons from this tragedy must drive a renewed global commitment to safer skies.